What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete. Back again. Just completed a 1968 Karmann Ghia Volkswagen chassis for a client in New Mexico. This is the third to the last chassis that we will be building, so we have two more after this, if my math is correct. And then we're going to concentrate on just building the components from here on out. We appreciate all the continued business you've given us. Let's show you the details of this chassis. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it for a stock semi-custom build. Let's check it out. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the Airkewld YouTube channel and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss a thing. On this chassis, we went with a 2-inch Stage 1 Pro-Built beam that is just roughly about 7 inches of adjustability up and down. But because the client wanted to have a stockish setup, we went with stock spindles. And he can raise it up to stock height and down to whatever height he wants. We used German ball joints and our Pro-Built steering box. That's part of our Pro-Built steering system with German tie rod ends, HD cap. Our tie rods, everything is done powder coated, stainless steel, very detailed throughout. Along with our sport shocks. You'll see that there are 4 greasable zerks on this beam for annual maintenance. We went with our Gen 2 Bad Series brakes with a 4-piston gray caliper. These rotors have a lifetime warranty as long as you install the master cylinder that we supply. The Gen 2 caps have the Airkewld star on them with the Speedo cable connection underneath them. Pretty trick in my opinion. And we went with Mobile Wagon wheels in the gray. These are their race wheels. And we went with a custom white wall in a 185/65/15 tire. We match painted the master cylinder the same gray with the on-top reservoir and the 2-prong brake light switches that are perfect for the 68. We used a stainless steel fastener kit to adhere it, along with the OEM Pro-Built pedal service with the standard cruiser pedal that's right there. Has the extra grip there for your foot not to slip off of like all the other competitors out there. The pedals are powder coated gun blued, all new components for another 50 years of great use. We used California Classic pan halves. We are a distributor for these, along with our support rail that goes between the seat tracks, and we put our chassis seal on it. We went with a pro-built performance transaxle. This is a 1 year only 68 long axle long spline with the heavy duty side plate and Gen 2 rear disc brakes in the rear. The cap covers the axle nut, which is pretty cool. We have our stainless fasteners for our caps, as well as the stainless fasteners for the spring plate to the axle assembly. And we went with the match painted e-brake calipers and the Gen 2 rear brakes. We have stainless hardware throughout the installation, along with our 6-shooter clutch adjuster. And again, this is stock height, so we're trying to keep that set up for him, but obviously it can be lowered to whatever he wants to do. BK08 is the powder coat color on this chassis. Standard finish on it in a satin black. We are no longer offering the service to rebuild these chassis, but you can win one online. Details will be in the description and in the comments or on airkewld.com. In your opinion, did we do a good job on this chassis? Please let us know in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Oh wait, they don't have that anymore. So you can't give a thumbs down, but tell us why. What do you dislike? What do you like? Tell us in the comments down below. Or if you want any of these components that you see on this chassis, reach out to the pros at Airkewld. I'm pretty sure they're going to be able to help you out. Until next time, everyone, have a good one.